Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you how to grow allamanda plant easily from cutting. I collect some allamanda cuttings. This is node area, from where leaves come out. I cut all leaves except the portion. I cut stem at an angle of 45 degree or slanted cut just below the node area. I prepare all the cuttings by the same manner and put them into plain water. I will grow some cuttings in water and some in sand. This is rooting hormone powder. I use this. You can use cinnamon powder or aloe vera gel or honey for rooting. First, I wet the sand. Make holes with a stick. Hole should be 1 inch deep. Then dip into rooting hormone powder and place in the sand. Tightly pack by the sand. I leave 2 cuttings in the plain water. You should change the water every 3 to 4 days. After 15 days, many roots form. After 10 more days, roots are large and some green leaves have appeared. But my all sand cuttings are fail. Roots are too long. It is the right time for transplant. In future, these white dots will appear as roots. I transplant it in 6 inches pot. I use only garden soil. Press the soil very gently. Then water well. Keep the pot in shady area for 7 days. Every day you should check the soil. If necessary, then water. My new plant is ready from a cutting.